Oh, it's daytime, and I'm at my secret hideout. Oh, are you kidding me? How do I put the balloon? Better. Better. Let me see what there is. Basic. That looks good. I'm not a big fan of it, but it's okay. Well, time to go in the house. I'm not gonna. What do you mean? It's easy for me to unlock these things. I don't really need to do. And, real question, what is the mill? Who knows? Well, also, something that I'm gonna say for you to make a short video and at the same time, and just to make it full, today I'm gonna be cooking and I am cat. And there's also gonna be more things besides cooking, of course. Well, first what I'm gonna do is to make a delicious cook. Is that I'm gonna start the kitty ones. I gotta get myself my food. This thing. Got fresh. Ooh. I'm also gonna get the fridge. Oh my god, get down. Finally. What the heck? There we go. Get this out of me. Keep this out of me. What the? Weird. I don't even know why my litter's that disgusting.
If you're a person that has heat or is a gacha heater, you need to leave. This video is for pure entertainment purposes.
And I don't need this. Or this. Oh wait, wrong miss. This. There we go. I'm gonna get myself a loaf of bread. No, get back in here. Get back in here. There we go. Magic. I'm gonna get a knife. Which should be illegal for me to have one after all. When you're a cat. I'm getting this bad thing that I'm not supposed to be. Who cares? I had a long fight there. I'm sorry, viewers. I had a pretty long fight there. Now, what I'm gonna use the knife for is to cut twice the bigger my slices. And now, slow and steady, I'm gonna grab a tomato and yank it. Oh man, I gotta double wash it. Get your red booty there! Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna grab one of my favorite veggies, potato. I'm gonna try to become Michael Jordan in style. Let's go! There we go. Ah! And now I need the green thingy of this, which cats are gonna hate me. So just because people are cats normally in this game, and sometimes my fans of Gorilla Tag hates cucumbers, I'm not gonna use it. First, what I'm gonna start off is washing my favorite one, which, oh my.
Yes, I'm Lucia.
There we go.
Something.
Okay, now that we're here, we're gonna grab this tomato. I love showers. Open. There we go. Oh, at least it didn't land on the floor. Better than eating bolso food. Like, come on, who eats food from that? Oh man. I'm not turning that off. That's Granny's problem now. You know what? Just for being a nice person, I'm gonna do this. And now to think that I got these ingredients freshly. What the? Look up. Now we have a perfect place of where we have our vegetables. Now we're gonna bam, 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 bam. Cut everything together. I'm gonna go for the sauce. I don't think this is alcohol. I think this is more like a sauce. The alcohol is on the refrigerator. For those who don't know, this is a sauce. Now we pour this delicious sauce on both. And now I throw this in Grandma for having alcohol. I don't care how mad you are at me, at least I'll be a... I'm happy surprised that she's not mad at anybody. She normally kill me. We're gonna put it that low. Our delicious food is delicious. Now we'll get a plate. But carefully make sure it doesn't hit the ground. And now we're gonna slowly do this. Put it on the fern. First, put your delicious food. Bon appetit. Now when that's done, now you can have a delicious... I lied, this is a cooking series. Okay, now I'm gonna go over here. And slowly... We got veggies. Now we throw this away. And just to make it kind to everybody, I know that a lot of cats like fish. What's the point without fish? And no, we're not getting from the aquarium. These are my pals that sometimes I eat, but I revive them. You know, because what kind of moon cat am I with eyes of galaxy since I can't change my fur and I only have golden claws? That Granny for some reason cuts them like 200k a week. Oh right, I completely almost forgot that the fish was over here. For those who don't know, there's a fish over here that you can easily find, that you can put it back on. But I refuse, because I'm today gonna have it. No, you know what? Just because I'm nice with you, just to be being nice to you, because I don't want to be mean to you. Just to be nice to you. You know what? I regret. I take it back. I take it back. I don't wanna. Don't die on me. Come here. Get in my mouth. I can see that you're alive. Here, go in the water, my friend. Swim freely. Okay, I think I have a better idea, because I know that it's fresh and protein to get my own ingredients, like I did, but instead, how about if I do this? Man, I hate this. And there's the beautifulness. Welcome, chicken. Chicken. Just to make it up to everybody.
I'm ready. I'm gonna need.
We got a delicious chicken. Now we get the butter. And we get this before it burns. Yeah! Who cares? Grandma, get out of the way! There we go. We're gonna turn off the stove and let it cool down, and then we're gonna use this spatula to slowly put the butter. Now that we're done with it, we're gonna slowly, carefully. And if you guys want to learn how to make it edible for those who have young teeth for your babies, cut it, and you'll have a delicious pieces of delicious cooked meat. And if you don't know what to do with the bone, give it to the dog. Just eat it. Like, get out of here. And now to finish the final touch, grab one, instead of drinking from your normal cup, for the ones who want to do this fancily, grab these type of cups or any cup, fill it with water, and not any water, the freshest one that is right next to you. And now slowly, and we got yourself a delicious Bon Appetit meal. I hope you really enjoyed this meal, because this is going to be a delicious meal that you're going to never regret in your whole entire life. Just this is too sweet, too delicious. What is this? I need to give some to Grandma, or I'm gonna heat one more because I think she's gonna think it's crooked because it's never crooked. Turn off, and now it's no longer crooked. Look at this baby. Grandma, here, have some delicious food. I have to help her. Grandma. There we go. Pick me up. Have this. She liked it. She liked it. Let's go. Oh, please like and subscribe for me to make more series of these delicious meals. Okay, anyways. Guys, we're gonna... Bam. We're gonna go fast and fall asleep. Oh god. I'll be right back on KFK. My apologies, everybody, and you can't see this, so... Okay. Hello, everybody. Welcome back with Luna on Cooking Cats. That's where we're gonna normally cook again. In this video, I'm also gonna, how I said, I'm not only gonna do a million of cooking sessions, I'm also gonna do a bunch of pranks and attempt unlocked missions along the way. So what am I gonna do is actually gonna be a delicious spicy chicken. And yes, if you did see the other series, if you saw the other series or the other half of the video or the other part, you can completely see that we get the chicken from the fridge. Some of things that some of us didn't know, which I did, because I was way too busy hitting grandma. And great, my claw stuck. And now I put this one. There we go. We got the delicious spicy chickens. We're gonna take 2. Throw 1 or something. Who cares? You can just wash it. Okay. Now that we have our 2 delicious spices, I recommend you to make one different from the others. Well, basically, I'm gonna grab 2 sardines real quick. The reason why I'm grabbing the 2 is because I'm gonna make one different separately. I'm gonna grab 1 actually. And grab the multi-rest. Why can't I jump? Who cares? Okay, who cares of jumping right now? This is... Oh, we're gonna need that spicy sauce for that, so we can't just like lose the spicy sauce. Important detail from everybody that's looking and listening right now. Okay, later you're gonna... Okay, I should put this through. Okay, now